Your Honda has a problem. Warning light on the dash. Something behaving strangely. A system that stopped working overnight for no obvious reason. So you do what most people do. You call the dealer. They schedule you for a diagnostic appointment. Minimum $150 just to plug in the scanner and read the codes. Then another $100 to $200 to actually fix whatever they find. And half the time what they find is a software glitch, a module that got confused, a sensor that sent bad data once and triggered a fault, an electronic system that needs nothing more than a fresh start, a reset that takes 60 seconds and costs absolutely nothing. I've been a Honda technician for over 15 years, and I've used these exact resets on thousands of customer vehicles. Problems that owners paid hundreds of dollars to diagnose elsewhere cleared up the moment the right system got a fresh start. Today, I'm giving you 10 free resets that fix the most common Honda problems without a dealer visit, without a diagnostic fee, and without any tools beyond what you already own. Reset number 6 saves Honda owners an average of $200 every single time they use it instead of going to a dealer. Let's get started. Reset 1. The complete module. Reset fixes multiple problems at once. This is the master reset, the one you try first when something unexplained is happening with your Honda. It simultaneously clears corrupted memory from every electronic control module in the car. What it fixes: random check engine lights, AC that suddenly stopped working, rough idle after battery replacement, power window glitches, infotainment freezes, random warning lights, and keyless entry issues. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Park on level ground. Turn the engine completely off. Step 2. Open the hood. Disconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10mm wrench. Step 3. Get in the car. Press and hold the brake pedal for 45 seconds. This is the critical step. Holding the brake drains residual electricity from every capacitor in every control module simultaneously. Skip this step and the reset is incomplete. Step 4. While holding the brake, turn the key to on, not start, for 15 seconds. Then turn back to off. Step 5. Release the brake. Turn the key on and off 3 times rapidly. Step 6. Get out of the car. Wait a full 5 minutes. Step 7. Reconnect the negative terminal. Tighten firmly. Step 8. Get back in. Turn the key to on for 30 seconds without starting. This allows all modules to boot up and communicate before the engine starts. Step 9. Start the engine. Let it idle undisturbed for 10 full minutes. No radio, no AC, no accessories. The ECM is relearning idle speed. The transmission module is initializing, and the throttle body is recalibrating. Step 10. Take a 15 to 20 minute drive, including city stops and highway speeds. This completes the relearn cycle for all systems. Dealer charge for this procedure $150 to $200 diagnostic fee. Your cost $0. Reset 2. The throttle body relearn fixes rough idle installing. After a battery disconnect, battery replacement, or any major engine work, your Honda's throttle body loses its learned idle position. Symptoms: rough idle, RPMs hunting up and down, stalling at red lights, engine stumbling when coming to a stop. The fix: Step 1. Start the engine cold. Hasn't run in at least 6 hours. Step 2. Put the car in park. Don't touch anything for exactly 10 minutes. No gas pedal, no AC, no steering wheel movement, nothing. Let the ECM map the throttle body position completely undisturbed. Step 3. After 10 minutes, turn the AC on for exactly 1 minute, then off. Step 4. Turn the steering wheel fully left, then fully right, twice. Step 5. Turn the car off. Wait 30 seconds. Step 6. Start the car. Idle should now be smooth and stable. This teaches the ECM the correct throttle position, idle speed, and load compensation for your specific engine. Takes 12 minutes. Saves a $150 service visit. Reset 3. The AC system. Reset fixes warm air. Your AC stops blowing cold overnight, No gradual decline, just warm air. Before you spend $150 on a refrigerant check or $800 on a compressor diagnosis, do this reset. The AC control module frequently enters protection mode from voltage spikes, battery disconnects, or software glitches. The compressor won't run even though everything is physically fine. Step 1. Park and turn the engine off completely. Step 2. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Step 3. Press and hold the brake pedal for 30 seconds. Step 4. Wait 2 full minutes. Step 5. Reconnect the negative terminal. Step 6. Start the engine. Let it idle 60 seconds before turning on the AC. Step 7. Turn AC to maximum cold. Highest fan speed, recirculation on. Step 8. Wait 2 minutes. Cold air should be coming from all vents. If it's blowing cold, the AC module exited protection mode. You just saved $150 to $1,400 in unnecessary repairs. I've used this reset on customers who had already received quotes of $800 to $1,400 for compressor replacement. The compressor was fine. The module just needed a restart. If you want to take your Honda maintenance to the next level and keep it running strong past 500,000 miles, I've put together a complete maintenance blueprint just for Honda owners. It covers every fluid change, every inspection interval, and every trick to maximize your engine's lifespan. Click the link in the description to get your copy of the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint for Honda. Reset 4. The TPMS reset fixes persistent tire pressure warning. Tire pressure warning light stays on even after you've inflated all 4 tires to the correct pressure. This happens constantly after tire rotations, seasonal tire swaps, and sensor replacements. The TPMS system needs to relearn which sensor is in which position. Here's the reset. Step 1. Inflate all 4 tires to the exact pressure listed on the driver's door jamb sticker, not the tire sidewall, the door sticker. Step 2. Start the engine. Step 3. Drive at 50 miles per hour or above for at least 10 minutes continuously. The TPMS sensors transmit their position data to the BCM at sustained highway speeds. The system relearns and the warning light clears. If the light doesn't clear after the drive, Step 1. With the engine running, locate the TPMS reset button. On most Hondas, it's under the steering wheel or in the glove box. Step 2. Press and hold until the TPMS light blinks 3 times. Step 3. Drive at 50 miles per hour for another 10 minutes. The system relearns and the light clears permanently. Dealer charge $50 to $100. Your cost $0. Reset 5. The infotainment system reset fixes freezes and glitches. Your Honda's touchscreen freezes. The display shows incorrect information. Apps crash. The system is slow or unresponsive. 3 resets in order of intensity. Soft reset. Try this first. Press and hold the audio power button for 10 seconds. The screen goes black and restarts. Fixes most minor glitches. Hard reset. If soft reset didn't work, press and hold the home button and back button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Forces a hard restart of the infotainment processor. Factory reset. Nuclear option. Go to Settings, Aero System, Aero Factory Data Reset. Confirm when prompted. Warning: you'll lose radio presets, Bluetooth pairings, and navigation history. But this fixes persistent software corruption that the other resets can't clear. Dealer charge for infotainment diagnosis $100 to $150. Your cost $0. Reset 6. The maintenance minder. Reset, the $200 saver. This is the reset that saves Honda owners an average of $200 every time they use it instead of asking the dealer. After any oil change or scheduled maintenance, you need to reset the maintenance minder to start counting your next interval. Dealers charge $15 to $30 for this reset when you bring the car in for an oil change. Some charge more. Here's how to do it yourself in 30 seconds. 2006 to 2015 Hondas. Turn the ignition to on. not start. Press the info or select button on the steering wheel until the oil life percentage appears. Press and hold reset for 10 seconds until it resets to 100%. 2016 plus Hondas with touchscreen. Go to Home, Settings, Vehicle, Maintenance Info, Reset, 4 taps, done. Pro tip, after resetting, set a custom reminder 500 miles before your intended change interval. This gives you a heads-up buffer so you never accidentally miss a change. Dealer charge, $15 to $30 per reset. Over 10 years and 20 plus oil changes. That's $300 to $600 saved. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Reset 7. The power window. Reset fixes auto up/auto down. After a battery disconnect or replacement, your power windows lose their auto up and auto down function. The window moves, but only while you hold the button. The one-touch feature stops working. Here's the reset for each window. Step 1. Roll the window all the way down. Step 2. Hold the down button for 2 extra seconds after the window reaches the bottom. Step 3. Roll the window all the way up. Step 4. Hold the UP button for 2 extra seconds after the window reaches the top. The window motor has now relearned its travel limits. Repeat for each window that needs resetting. This also fixes windows that reverse direction unexpectedly or stop mid-travel for no reason. Dealer charge, $50 to $100 per window. Your cost, $0. Reset 8. The VSA/ABS warning. Light reset fixes stability system faults. VSA, Vehicle Stability Assist, or ABS warning light on the dash, often appearing after a battery disconnect, wheel sensor disturbance, or rough road driving. Before spending $100 plus on a diagnostic scan, try the calibration reset. Step 1. Find an empty parking lot. Step 2. Drive in a figure-8 pattern at 5 to 8 miles per hour for 3 complete loops. This recalibrates the steering angle sensor and yaw rate sensor simultaneously, which are the most common triggers for false VSA/ABS faults. Step 3. Come to a complete stop. Step 4. Turn the car off. Wait 30 seconds. Step 5. Restart and check if the warning light has cleared. If the light clears, it was a sensor calibration issue, not a hardware failure. If the light returns immediately, use an OBD2 scanner to read the specific fault code before spending money on a dealer diagnosis. A $25 to $35 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner from Amazon reads Honda fault codes in real time and eliminates $100 plus diagnostic fees every time a warning light appears. Reset 9. The Honda Sensing Recalibration fixes phantom braking and camera errors. Honda Sensing warning lights or error messages appear most often after windshield replacement, front camera cleaning, minor front-end impacts, or extended driving in heavy rain. The front camera needs recalibration. Basic self-recalibration procedure. Step 1. Park in a well-lit area with clear lane markings visible. Step 2. Start the engine and sit still for 3 minutes. The camera runs a self-diagnostic on startup. Step 3. Drive at 45 miles per hour or above on a road with clear visible lane markings for 10 continuous minutes. The Honda Sensing camera recalibrates using the lane markings as reference points. Step 4. If warning lights don't clear, turn Honda Sensing off completely using the main button on the steering wheel. Wait 5 minutes. Turn it back on. Step 5. Repeat the highway drive. For most software-triggered Honda Sensing errors, this procedure clears the fault completely. Note: if Honda Sensing errors appeared after windshield replacement, a full camera recalibration at a dealer or glass shop is required. This involves a calibration target and alignment process that can't be done at home. Cost: $150 to $300. Reset 10. The fuel system pressure. Reset fixes hard starting. Your Honda cranks but takes a long time to start, or it starts fine when warm but struggles cold. or it turns over repeatedly before catching. Before assuming a bad fuel pump or fuel pressure regulator, try this. The fuel system may have lost prime pressure. Here's how to restore it. Step 1. Turn the ignition to on, not start. Step 2. Listen for a brief hum from the rear of the car. That's the fuel pump priming. Step 3. Wait 5 seconds. Step 4. Turn the ignition back to off. Step 5. Repeat this cycle 3 times. On for 5 seconds, off. On for 5 seconds, off. On for 5 seconds, off. Step 6. On the 4th cycle, turn the key to start. The fuel system is now fully primed with maximum pressure. The engine should start immediately and easily. Why this works? The fuel pump needs time to build adequate pressure. If you jump straight to cranking, the pump may not have enough pressure built up to fire the engine on the first attempt. Cycling the ignition primes the system before demanding a start. This simple 30-second procedure eliminates unnecessary fuel pump diagnosis that starts at $150 just to inspect. How to read codes before any reset. Pro tip that applies to every reset on this list. Before doing any reset, read your fault codes first. Buy a $25 to $35 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. Plug it into the port under the driver's side dash. Connect via Bluetooth. Download the Torque app or a Honda-specific OBD app. Read and write down every code. This gives you a record of exactly what triggered each warning light before the reset clears it. If the problem returns after the reset, you know the exact code to investigate. That makes professional diagnosis faster and cheaper. If the problem doesn't return, you know it was a glitch. Either way, you have information instead of guessing. A $25 scanner pays for itself the first time you use it. Over the life of your Honda, it saves you $500 to $1,000 in unnecessary diagnostic fees. Final thoughts. Dealers and mechanics provide valuable services, but not every Honda problem requires a diagnostic fee and a service appointment. Software glitches, sensor recalibrations, module resets, and relearn procedures are things you can handle yourself in your own driveway. These 10 resets cover the most common electronic and software-based problems Honda owners face. A module reset that clears mysterious warning lights. An AC reset that brings back cold air. A throttle body relearn that fixes rough idle. A fuel system prime that cures hard starting. Try the appropriate reset first, every single time. If the problem clears, you just saved $100 to $300. If it doesn't clear, you know you have a real issue and can proceed to professional diagnosis with confidence. Knowledge is money, and now you have both. And if you're serious about keeping your Honda running strong for the long haul, don't forget to grab the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's packed with every maintenance interval, fluid change schedule, and insider tip you need to get maximum life out of your engine. The link's in the description, and it's specifically designed for Honda owners who want their cars to last forever. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.